This is the punch board itself. What you'll need to provide for this project is just some cardstock. The maximum size on the punch board is 12 by 12 inches, which is what I have here today. However, if you have something that's a little bit larger, or if you'd like a smaller gift box, you can use a variety of cutting tools that we have at the Forge to get it to the right size. And you can use this very helpful size chart to determine which of these alignment lines that you'll need to use to make your punch board. So getting started, our first step will be to find the correct alignment. So here I'm using 12 by 12, so I'll be aligning to the XL line here. So we're going to put it flush against this hard plastic part and align it with the correct size. Next step, press down, and that'll make a notch for us right there. Our next step is to use this bone tool that slots into the side of the punch board. We're going to follow the grooves on the punch board to score the cardstock 3 times. We're going to have a vertical line scored here, then a horizontal line, and then a diagonal line starting here going down. So you can see there are 3 lines now. So here's our long horizontal line, our shorter diagonal line, and our vertical line. What we're going to do is we're going to turn the cardstock 90 degrees and repeat the process until all 4 sides hit a notch in 3 scores. Alright, so here we have our fully scored sheet of cardstock with 4 different notches. So our next step will be to flip our cardstock over, align it to the same alignment line as before, and we're going to punch it again so we create 2 notches on each edge. So we're going to repeat that on all 4 sides. Okay, so here is what it should look like right before folding. So at this point you have 2 different options. If you insert the corners of your net into the other side of the red punch, it'll create these little clasps here. And the reason I say this is an option is because you can also choose to just tape the top off, but I like to make these little clasps. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so for now we can put the punch board away, but we're going to keep our bone tool on hand. What we're going to do is now start to fold the gift box. So we can use the back side of the bone tool to make sure it's pressed down nice and neat. We do this for all 4 sides. And we're going to fold these triangular parts into themselves. Sort of coming together. Next step is to use the clasps at the top. I clasp it all closed. Let's get our little kitty inside. And then clasp the other 2. So here we have our completed gift box with clasps at the top. You can draw on it, you can add stickers, you can add ribbons, which is what I prefer to do. So it's a very fun tool to use and very easy to use as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please be sure to check out some of our other showbiz making videos, and happy making!